Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the coolest, most versatile, and interesting Excel tools out there. Today, for our European friends, I want to introduce a recently requested tool, an Excel tool that allows us to break down driving distances by country, specifically for European countries. Let me show you how it works. For those unfamiliar with my tools, I've been developing Excel tools primarily for the logistics world for the last 16 years. Over this time, I've built more than 50 tools, covering just about everything you can think of. This particular tool enables users to break down driving distances by country. In this case, we're working with European addresses, specifically cities. But because this tool integrates with Google Maps API, you can input cities, postal codes, or even full addresses. What we're trying to determine is the driving distance and how many kilometers are driven within each country for every trip. Using the tool is simple. Paste the trips into the designated section and click on Calculate. The tool will then automatically compute the total driving distance in kilometers and the estimated driving time. For example, if I travel from Kyiv to Rome, I can click on the specific cell and it will show distances traveled in Ukraine, Hungary, Slovenia, and Italy. This breakdown is done for each trip, making it easy to analyze travel distances country by country. This tool is incredibly useful for various purposes, including fuel planning and regulatory requirements that drivers must adhere to. Having an accurate breakdown of distances driven per country is crucial in many logistics and compliance scenarios, making this tool an invaluable resource. To download the tool, simply click in the description. You'll need a Google Maps API key, but don't worry. I have another video explaining how to obtain and set up your API key, and I've linked that in the description as well. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Our phone number and email are provided in the description. And we're also happy to chat with you through our website about this tool or any other solutions you may need. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos. Until next time.